Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make the store. First, go back to where we did it last time. Make another file. You can name it anything, but I'll just name it van store.html. Then just put exclamation mark, enter, and then you have this. So just delete all these three. You don't need this. Then you change the title to you can put anything, the generous. Then in the head, you don't put anything. In the body, put header. Then in the header, put div. Then you put class equals container there. And in that div, put another div, class nav wrapper. In that div, make another div, class right side. Div class ran. Then in that div, make one more div. Put anything you want. And then you have this. Then what you need to do is then over at the bottom of the div, here, make another div, name it, put class left side. Then put another div, class equals nav dash link dash wrapper. Then in that div, put a here. First just type a and then enter. Then this will pop up. Put band home.html. Then what you can do is you put this home. Go back to home.html and then copy this, the header, above the header, all this up to here, copy it and then paste it there, over here. Now you have completed the header. Now let's go save this, open with live server, and then you will have this. But you will need, in order to make the bar, you will need to go up here. Then up here, below the title, put link CSS band.css. There, save that. Then it should be here, but if it's not popping up there, then you should just find first. You need to check every div here. Save that. Give me a second. Okay, let's just do that and then save. Still not working. Okay, guys, so I found out that you needed to put header, a div, 4 more divs, another div here, and then here. So basically, you need to put the header, div class container, div class new wrapper, this, all this, and then 2 divs. And then a div, another div here, put div as wrapper, and then you put all of this like that, and then you gotta put 4 more over here, and then 1 over here, and then header. Then now after you finish the header, move on to the section. Put below the header, put section. In section, put h2 background. Then put div again, then strong. Put album 1, and then you have the 2 closing divs. But between the first one, put image, and then put image dash key1, I1 I mean. Then you need to put under the other div, under the image, put div span put the $sign and just put $100, 0.99, 0.00. You can put whatever number you want, but don't make it too big. Then under that, put button, row, button, here, add, to cart, like that, and then you have the div, another div. Then you need to do that 5 more times. Just copy and paste from this from the strong to the second div. Leave 1 div here. You know what? Copy this whole entire div to here. Then copy and paste this. Go to and then paste it and then change album 1 to 2. I1 to I2. Also, you have to save like 5 images, any image, and then 2 more images. One you can You can just put anything for the 2 image and then the 5 image. So you need 7 random images. Then you can just change the how much it costs. I'm not gonna change that. I'm gonna leave how it is. Leave it like it is. Then I'm gonna paste it again. Then change it to L3, I3. To check this is working, go here, and this should be on here. I've chose these kind of images. Yeah, you can choose any other kind. You don't. It doesn't have to be a that. So you can see the buttons are here. There, it's there. So now go back to Visual Studio, and then go to under here. Keep doing it until you go up to number 5. After number 5, after you put number 5, you have to make another section. Section like so. H2, put merge. Underneath the section, put a div, and then in that div, put another div, put strong in that div, put band, merge. You can put anything. I'm just putting it like this. And then under that, put images, here in the square. I'll put images slash I6. Then under that put put another div, put span. Make sure you go on another line like that. Otherwise it looks messy and this is not really good. In that span, you can put anything. It's just another cost. So I'm gonna just put like 500. Obviously these are not actual prices. It doesn't cost that much, but it's just for this website. So underneath that, you put button, roll, button, add to cart, put div, another div, strong. Well, you don't need to do this. You just, if you want to do it faster, you just copy this from here, paste it, change this. I'm gonna change this to iSpeed because my image is iSpeed. And then I'm gonna change this to TI7 and then you leave everything as it is. After that, below the div, you want to put another section, but before that, just save that and then check if this is working. Here, underneath here, there is no image, so that means this one isn't working as it's supposed to. Let's see why. The image is fine. Because, let me see. Yup, now it's working. Everything is working. Okay, go down to the section. And in that section, just put page 2, cart, and then div, div, and that div put strong item, and then put this sellable here. This thing, and then number, let me see, that's number 1, I think, there. That isn't one, that's, I think that one is the eye. Nope, that isn't an eye. I'll just paste it here. Now let me just check what this is, just for you guys to type. So let me copy this. Go to Google. That is an L. So that is an L. There. That is an L, lowercase. After this, you want to copy and paste this. Put it down here. Put it down here again. Change the item to price. Change this item to quantity. Then you don't need this. So you have this. Underneath this, put another div. And then in that div, put images slash I6. And then put width 100 and height 100 too. And then over here, you want to put span. You don't have to do this. You just put anything you want. Span merge. Then you do that thing again without only this. Put another span. Put the money over there. I'll just put 1,000. And then underneath, put that. Input type number. let's see. Save. Go back here. Okay. You still can't type. You can type numbers. Okay. Go back to Visual Studio Code. Put value equals 0. It starts from 0. But when you start it, it doesn't go 0. And it can go minus. You can only type numbers. Okay, so that's good. Go back to Visual Studio. And then underneath that, put button. Put button. Roll button. Remove. Underneath the div, put div again. And that div make put image. Images. There's i7. Put width equals 100. Height 100. Then just copy this. Put it down here. But I'm just gonna change this to ice cream. I won't change the price. I'm gonna copy this right here. Put that as well. And then after that, put HR. Another div. Strong toe. And then put span. Well, you can put anything. It just means the total. Just for the fun, I'm just gonna put this. So after that, below the section, put UL. And then what you wanna do is you wanna go back to your home h.html, copy this entire thing, UL to the other UL, and then go back to the store, paste it here, and save it. Now go back here. It might not work, but it did. So the total is over there. Then these ones work. And let's go back on the top. This one doesn't go to home, doesn't go to about. It obviously doesn't go to contact because we haven't done, but the hover is there. So let's fix that. Go to the top, change this one to the right over here. You want to put home, HTML, about HTML. And then band store, I'm just going to change that to store. Go over here, rename it, store. and then save it and then go back. Refresh. Nope, doesn't work. Okay, let's open with live server again because I changed the name so it just malfunction. Everything is still there. Go to the top, home, works, but it's down here now. So we're gonna fix that in the next episode. It doesn't go back because the home is still not fixed. So we're gonna fix that in the next episode. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and like and comment if you have any questions, and see you on the next episode.